and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aditi and today we're gonna review the products about which I talked in my previous video. So we will be using all these products today and I will show you the difference which I see after using all these products. Other than that, I would like to tell you that I have been using these products since past 1 week, so I have seen a considerable difference. I am not wearing any kind of makeup right now. I have only put on a lip balm and that's it. That's literally it. Before we start the video, I would just like to thank every one of you who subscribed to my channel and liked my first video. I was not expecting so much of love, but I was honestly very overwhelmed with the response which I received. So thank you so much for all the love, and without much talking, let's get to the video. I look like a Santa Claus in this bathrobe, but I really love it a lot. And I have tied my hair in a ponytail because I do not like my hair falling on my face when I'm doing the skincare. So it's better to always tie your hair literally very up so that it does not come on your face. So without much more talking again, let's get to the first step. So first step is going to be the face wash, and I'm going to be using the Good Vibes Papaya Brightening Face Wash. I am just going to take one pump of it because I have been using it, so I know this is the consistency of it and it's pretty generous. So all you need to do is just wet your face a bit and then just start washing it. So let's get to it. So I start washing my face in circular motion all over it, and do not forget your neck because whatever skincare you're doing, you are supposed to take it down. Now that I'm done with it, I'll just go ahead and wash it off. So finally my skin feels a lot cleaner and much brighter. So I'm actually loving it. For our second step, we're going to use the Papaya Rejuvenating Scrub. We're just going to take this much amount of it and scrub our face in a circular motion. Again, while we are doing this, we are not supposed to forget our neck. So we'll just scrub our face and neck for around 45 seconds. Also guys, when we are scrubbing our face, we really need to be very gentle on our skin because we honestly do not want to strip our skin off. So please be gentle with your skin. Also, we are not supposed to do it under the eyes. Now we're just going to wash the scrub off and we're going to pat dry our skin because we do not want to rub our skin and cause any sort of harm. So this is the final look of my skin after scrubbing it, and it looks much more cleaner and brighter than before. So the rejuvenating scrub worked amazing. For the next step, I'm going to use the Mulberry Glow Toner because my skin feels a little bit dry, but just for some sort of hydration, I'm going to use it before masking my face and wait for it to dry. So finally my skin feels hydrated after using it, and for the next step we're going to use the masks. So on the left side I'll be using the wine mask and on the right side I'll be using the rosehip mask. So the wine mask has a little bit thick consistency and we're just going to evenly apply it on the left side of our face. Now we're going to start applying the rosehip mask on the right side of our face. I look like a half-and-half pizza, but never mind. Now that we're done with the wine and the rosehip mask, we're just going to sit over there and wait for it to dry. And we're going to keep it for 15 minutes. Now that the mask is completely dried, we'll just wash it off and pat dry our skin to see the complete results of it. Honestly, the rosehip side was much more softer than the wine side, but both these masks worked pretty much similar for me as they helped in cleaning my skin much better. Since my skin was feeling a little bit dry, I'm just going to use the toner again and spritz it all over my face. Guys, honestly, I love this product. It is one of the best products of Good Vibes that I have used until now. For the next step, we're going to use the Good Vibes Lemon Brightening Face Mask Sheet, and it's a 20 ml package. We're just gonna tear open this package up and take the whole mask out. Honestly, opening up the mask was the biggest task for me, but I anyhow managed to open it in 7 to 8 minutes. I'm not even kidding about it. Now that it's finally open, we're just gonna put it on our face, and since it has a lot of cuts on the sides, it takes the shape of our face very easily. So I did not take much time in applying, of course, but Yeah, I did take time in opening it up. Now there's still a little bit of serum left, so I'll just take it in my hand and apply it all over my hands and elbows. Guys, you can use this serum if it's left inside the package, and do not waste it. Please do not waste it. We're gonna wait for 15 minutes for it to completely seep into our skin. Now that the 15 minutes are over, we're just gently gonna take off the mask off our face, and according to the instructions given behind the package, we're gently gonna massage our face until the whole serum gets inside our skin. This is how I actually massage my face, and after I'm done with it, I do not forget to gently massage my eyes as well. Always use your ring finger because the pressure of that finger is really less and it's very soothing for the eyes as well. A little more massage and finally we are done with it. Guys, my skin feels very fresh and honestly it feels a lot bright after using this mask. For our next step, we're going to use the papaya gel and the vitamin C and B3 serum. We'll take just a little bit of the gel and 1 drop of the serum and rub it in between our fingers just to warm it up, and then apply it on our face generously and massage it in a circular motion again. After all of this is done, I can honestly say that my skin feels a lot healthier. For the last step, we're going to use the Saffron Nourishing Day Cream of Good Vibes. The consistency of this cream is really very rich and thick. So we'll just take a little amount of it on our finger and rub it between our fingers again to warm it up. We'll apply it generously on our face and massage our face again in a circular motion. Hello everyone, that's all I had to share with you guys today regarding my Good Vibes product review. So this is how my skin finally looks like. I have just changed my clothes and put on a lip balm. There is no makeup on my face. And my skin actually feels really very healthy, plump, brighter, a little bit glowing as well. So in all about the products, if I have to sum up, the only problem with the product which I had was the serum, because it did not work much on my skin. But other than that, if you are a dry skin, I am a combination skin, that's why it did not work. But if you are a dry skin, the serum is gonna work amazing for you. So whatever skin type you are, I can say that these products are really very safe for you to use, because it does not have parabens, sulfates, it does not have mineral oils, does not have alcohol, and it's cruelty free. So please go ahead, in the description box I'll give all the links, and if you want to buy them, you can just go ahead and purchase them. So that's all for today's video. If you liked what I had to share with you guys today, please give a thumbs up to this video, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, you can just go ahead and comment down below, and I will be really very happy to answer them. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.